Applicant AW3450LA, please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Melanie Dagoy, 33 years old, married. I have two kids, ages 13 years old and 5 years old boys. I am a college undergraduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science for 1 year. I have a work experience as a domestic helper here in Philippines for 2 years. I served 2 adults and 1 baby.
Why did you intend to work in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is a safe country and offer high salary.
How was your experience with your previous employer?
We had a good relationship with my previous employer because they treated me as a family and I treated them as a family too.
What was your duties and responsibility as a domestic worker?
My duties and responsibilities are do the household chores, cook food, wash and ironing clothes, clean the house, and taking care of the baby.
What are the part of the house are cleaned the most?
The toilet and kitchen to avoid the bad smells and bacteria and to prevent food contamination.
What are the appliances you can operate?
I can operate microwave, washing machine, air condition, and vacuum.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No sir, but I can follow recipes.
What is the first thing to do before you prepare your employer's food?
I will make sure my hands are clean, sir.
How will you take care of young children or baby?
I can assist them by changing diaper and prepare meals, give them medicine and vitamins, sir.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, sir. Instead, I will talk to them slowly and patiently and explain to them that naughty is not good.
Why is it good to teach children good values?
For their future, sir, and to become a good person.
What is your priority in taking care of children and baby?
Their health and safety, sir.
Can you tell me why the baby cries?
Maybe they are hungry, sleepy, or the diaper is full, sir.
If your employer's baby or child is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will check the body temperature, sir.
It is right to give medicine the baby right away.
No, sir. I will wait the instruction of my employer, sir.
What is the right thing you must do after breastfeeding the baby?
Let the baby birth to avoid stomach ache and vomiting, sir.
How do you manage the household works and the baby?
If the baby is asleep, I will do the household chores, sir.
If there is elderly, bedridden, disabled in Hong Kong, how will you assist them?
I can assist them if they are to go to bathroom. I will assist them by giving them medicine and vitamins.
What are the good attitudes or traits you have so you can build good relationship with your future employer?
Be honest, respect your employer, be patient, and always smile, sir.
Why is it important to maintain cleanliness?
It is important to maintain cleanliness for the safety and the health of the families.
If you feel homesick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I will make myself busy and always pray to God.
What is your message to your prospective employer?
To my prospective employer, please choose me as your helper. I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and work with you as long as you need me.